At BPI, yay! MDRT. Amenities, gym. Ayos ka, Che? sorry. 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 Sige, mag-ano ako. Tawag dito? Treadmill yan, treadmill. Hindi na, check. Sorry. Okay na, check. Kahit yung pang taas lang, wala akong dala. Thank you.
Naka-live na to? Okay. Alright, si Sir Tony.
Enjoy natin yung live, guys. Mga amenities pala. Morning po. Swimming po kami pag-upset ako. Ay, ito pa yung swimming pool, no? Lapit lang. Thank you, Chef. Guys, pagkatapos kumain, exercise para mag-burn yung fats. Thank you, Jay. Salamat.
Sure.
Guys. Ay, sorry.